Today's topic is industrial timber. Industrial timber means factory made timber. So what is the industrial timber? The timber which is prepared scientifically in a factory is termed as the industrial timber, and such timber possesses desired shape, appearance, strength, etc. Following are varieties of industrial timber. First of all, we should understand the term related to industrial timber for making the industrial timber or plywood. First is veneers, Veneers, veneers. What is veneers? These are thin sheets or slices of wood of superior quality. The thickness of veneer simply a thin sheets of good quality, superior quality of wood. The thickness of veneers varies from 0.4 mm to 6 mm or more, generally 0.4 mm to 6 mm. They are obtained by rotating a log of wood against a sharp knife of rotary cutter or saw as shown the veneers after being removed are dried in kilns to remove moisture. So this is the veneer. Some facts should be noted related to veneers. The edges of veneers are joined and sheets of decorative designs are prepared. The process of preparing a sheet of veneers is known as the veneering. Veneer is a sheet, and the process of sheet of veneers from many veneers is known as the veneering. The veneers are used to produce batten, plywood batten boards and laminate boards. Fourth point related to veneers, the veneers may be glued with suitable adhesive on the surface of inferior wood. The appearance of inferior wood is then considerably improved. Now, plywood. What is plywood? Ply means layer. So, the meaning of term ply is a thin layer. The plywood are boards which are prepared from thin layers of wood or veneers. Plywood is prepared by thin layers of veneers. The point to be noted, the three or more veneers, not one and two, the three or minimum veneers used three. The three or more veneers in odd numbers are placed one above the other with the direction of grains of successive layers at right angle. This type, one above the another at right angle to each other. They are held in position by application of suitable adhesives. The placing of veneers normal to each other increases the longitudinal and transverse strength of plywood in both directions. Increase the strength in longitudinal and transverse direction. While being glued, the pressure may be applied on veneers. The pressure may either be applied hot or cold. Two methods are there: hot for preparing the plywood, hot method or cold method. For hot pressure, the hydraulic press is employed to press plywood. The temperature varies from 150 degrees centigrade to 260 degrees centigrade in hot process. For cold procedure, the plywood are pressed at room temperature only The pressure applied on plywood varies from 0.7 to 1.4 Newton per millimeter square. So these are the process of preparing plywood or factory wood, factory made timber or industrial timber. Otherwise, timber is natural, obtained from wood or tree after seasoning. Now, advantages of plywood. Following are the advantages of plywood. First advantage of plywood is, as plies or layers, as plies are placed at right angle to each other, the expansion and shrinkage are comparatively very low. Second, they are available in a variety of decorative appearance. Third, third advantage of plywood, they are available in large sized. The commercial sized have width up to 1.5 meter and length up to 3 meter. This in this size generally available in market. Next advantage, they are elastic. They have property of elasticity. They are elastic and hence they are not liable to split or crack due to changes in atmosphere or weathering conditions. Next advantage, they are light in weight. This is the important advantage. They are light in weight. Next, they are not easily affected by moisture. Next one is, they are stronger than solid boards. This point is to be noted. They are stronger than solid boards. For instance, a 3-ply board is nearly 3 times stronger than the 3 plywood prepared by 3 layers or 3 veneers is nearly 3 times stronger than the solid board of the same thickness. So this is the very important property of plywood. That is why plywood is lightweight. Next is, they are very easy to work and they can be made to suit any design. Next advantage of plywood, they do not split in an axial direction. Next, they do not split when nailed near edges because of their cross-grained nature. Because in plywood, grains are perpendicular to each other. Next, they make use of rare and valuable timbers in a quite economical way. Next advantage of plywood, they possesses uniform tensile strength in all directions, because in plywood they are formed from veneers and veneers one above to other in perpendicular direction. So grains are perpendicular to each other. So that is why plywood have more strength, and that is why plywood is lightweight, and that is why plywood is possesses uniform tensile strength in all directions. So this is the industrial timber or simply plywood, a factory made timber, and advantages of plywood. Thank you.